I'm Raj and I'm here to present you the late Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC Coupe. It's in very electrifying color and the character lights on the hood goes with the flow of the car. Now look at the front bumper, you got functioning air dams here on the either side of the bumper, which actually lets you lower down the coefficient of drag and makes the car more aerodynamic. It's the most advanced technology when it comes to headlighting system because it has an ultra range beam of 650 meters. It's smart enough because it works with the stereo cameras fitted right inside the windshield, so it keeps on scanning the roads all the time. That's the 3-liter V6 bi-turbo engine from Mercedes-AMG. This pumps out roughly close to 390 brake horsepower and 520 Newton meters of torque, and it's made it to a 9G TCT AMG speed shift gearbox with all-time 4-wheel drive. So it's a 4MATIC system. When you want the car to sing, it sings. When you want the car to scream, just put your foot down the throttle and it'll start screaming because it has an AMG performance exhaust factory fitted onto it. Bi-turbo 4MATIC, so that stands for the 2 turbos inside the engine, and 4MATIC is for the 4-wheel drive system. So when you look at the side profile of the car, the lines start from the A pillar and you see the sloping C pillar. That's where the design is the coupe-ish. When you look at the wheels, so these are AMG wheels, which are right now 18 inches. Well, you can also opt for a 19 inches multi-spoke wheel. Well, as staggering it looks from the outside, it's more sophisticated inside as well as stylish. This is the latest generation 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with smartly designed paddle shifters for up and down shifting. Well, if you look at the screen closely, you can have a lot of information and some of them are AMG specific. So you can go to the AMG performance thing, go inside and it will tell you how much is the boot that's required, what's the coolant temperature, the engine running temperature. But just for your surprise, the car's got a panoramic sunroof. So with one touch button, you can roll up the whole panoramic sunroof at the back, and all the 4 passengers sitting inside the car can have the fun of fresh wind blowing inside. When you look at the center console of the car, it's a very specific trim, something called as a glossy lime wood trim, and you can opt for 4 different trims as well. The touchpad here, it's for the telematics, the latest generation telematics infotainment system that we have, and this is with again Mercedes Me Ready. The air cons that you see, it gives a very classy touch to the air conditioning system, and this is a Thermatronic 2-zone climate control. The ambient lighting that you see, which runs across the center console as well on the door trims, have 64 different colors to opt for. So on the go you can change as per your mood 64 different colors.